శ్రీమన్మహాభారతము 503rd డే. ఓం అస్మద్గురుభ్యో నమః. నారాయణం నమస్కృత్య నరం చైవ నరోత్తమం దేవీం సరస్వతీం వ్యాసం తతో జయం ఉదీరయేత్. ఇన్ శ్రీమన్మహాభారతము సభాపర్వము 38th chapter, Suta Maharshi giving his discourse to Saunaka and other Maharshis, saying that, O Maharshis, Vaishampayana Maharshi teaching Sriman Mahabharatam to Janamejaya Maharaju, saying like this: O Raja, Bhishma Pitamaha describing the avataram of Vamana in the assembly of Dharmaraju and saying to Dharmaraju like this: O Dharmaja, Paramatma came down as Vamana, and such Vamana was praised by all the Devatas and great enlightened people. Now, Manusheshu Yadha Vishnoho Pradurbhavam Tadha Shrunu. I will now talk about one of the avatarams, which is Dattatreya Avataram, Dattatreya Maharshi. When Vedas, all the yajna activities and the righteousness, the truth, all these were going down and getting destroyed. At that time, Sriman Narayana came down as Dattatreya Maharshi and brought all that establishment back, activities of Vedas, yajna activities and Dharmam, everything brought back by Dattatreya Maharshi. He is the one who gave boons to Kartavirya-Arjuna. Kartavirya-Arjuna worshipped Dattatreya Maharshi. Then Dattatreya Maharshi pleased with Kartavirya-Arjuna's worship and he gave all the boons. Kartavirya-Arjuna asked like this: O Dattatreya Maharshi, I should have 1,000 shoulders. I should have great amount of wealth. That is my first boon. And then I want to rule this entire universe in a righteous way. That is my second boon. And I want to worship all the Pitru Devatas, Maharshis, great Brahmanas with all the yajnas. That is my third boon. And fourth boon is only the one who is uncomparable. That person should be able to kill me, not others. That is my fourth boon. Like that, Kartavirya-Arjuna asked 4 boons to Dattatreya Maharshi and got all those boons. What happens next, we will learn tomorrow. Jai Sriman Narayana. Jai Sriman Narayana. Let us do Sastanga Namaskaram to our parents. Let us do Sastanga Namaskaram to our Acharya. Let us do Sastanga Namaskaram to Sri Vedavyasa Maharshi. Let us do Sastanga Namaskaram to Sri Vigneswara Swami. Let us do Sastanga Namaskaram to the divine scripture Sriman Mahabharatam. Let us do Sastanga Namaskaram to Sri Krishna Paramatma. Let us meditate upon Sriman Narayana who is there within our own heart. Let us do Sastanga Namaskaram and sing the glory of Sriman Narayana. Sriman Narayana Narayana Narayana, Sriman Narayana Narayana Narayana. Sriman Narayana came down as Sri Krishna Paramatma and gave us Bhagavad Gita and asked all of us to do 8 things. That is why let us respond back to Sriman Narayana saying that we will definitely do those 8 things. O Sriman Narayana, Karishye Vachanam Tava Sarvam Shri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Srimannarayana. Jai Srimannarayana. A special request to all devotees. In all things in our life, we want immediate and effective results. To achieve this, let us spend 1 minute daily and read Narayanastram. In order to obtain Narayanastram, go to Narayanastram website, which is www.narayanastram.org, and provide your name and email in the registration. You will receive a Narayanastram PDF to the email you provided. In the PDF, there is a Ramayana sloka, a Gita sloka, and a Vishnu Namam. The three of these put together is called Narayanastram. Everyone receives a different combination of these slokas. When everyone reads to their Narayanastram daily, along with 24,000 devotees, one round of Sampurna Ramayana Parayana, 33 rounds of Srimad Bhagavad Gita Parayana, 24 rounds of Sri Vishnu Sahasranama Stotra Parayana is completed every day. This is such a remarkable and extraordinary outcome that comes out of doing this every single day. That's why you and your family members immediately go and obtain your Narayanastram. Jai Srimannarayana. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita in 18th chapter from 65th to 69th sloka, Sri Krishna Paramatma strongly recommending all of us to do 8 things. Krishna Paramatma saying that if we do those 8 things, we will become His most beloved devotees, and then He will liberate all of us from all kind of sins. That is why every day let us respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma like this. O Srimannarayana, as you said, I shall keep on thinking about you. O Srimannarayana, as you said, I shall become your devotee. O Srimannarayana, as you said, I shall keep on performing all my activities as your service. O Srimannarayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering the fact that I am your belonging, and I shall keep doing namaskaram to you. O Srimannarayana, as you said, I shall surrender to you alone unconditionally. O Srimannarayana, as you said, I shall not grieve anymore. O Srimannarayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering your teachings every day by reading at least 1 Gita sloka. O Srimannarayana, as you said, I shall keep on spreading Srimad Bhagavad Gita among all the devotees. O Srimannarayana, I shall do as you say. I shall behave as you like. I shall keep on working for you. Karishye vachanam tava. Sarvam Shri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Srimannarayana.